Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahillazi ja'alal qalama lil kitabah wal kitaba lil qira'ah wal qira'ah lil ma'rifah wal ma'rifah lil ibadah wal ibadah lillahi ta'ala. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah la nabiyya wa la rasula ba'da amma ba'du. First of all, let's thanks to our God Allah who has given us mercies and blessing so we can meet again in this place. Secondly, salawat and salam be upon to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who has guided us from the darkness to the lightness. Today, I want to discuss with my group about how important English language, and here I want to ask some question to my group. Before that, I want to introduce my member. There is Muti, Nuki, Shafiq, Najib, and Rifat. For the first question, I want to ask to Muti. How important English language for our activity as student?
English language skills are an important aspect for students because, in addition to being an international language, English is also a support for students to communicate and search for references, which nowadays mostly use English as an educational support. In addition, being able to speak English can be a plus for students to get scholarships.
Can we study abroad by studying English?
Of course, we can study abroad by learning English because being able to speak English is the main requirement to enter universities abroad. As stated earlier, being able to speak English can make it easier for us to communicate with people from outside Indonesia.
And for the next question for Nuki, why English is a foreign language in Indonesia?
The main factor in English as a second language is because in the past the Industrial Revolution started in United Kingdom. That's why the change in the Industrial world, the Industrial Revolution started in United Kingdom. That's why their language became a second language throughout the world. It is necessary to explain here the difference between English success. Second language and English. When can tell Indonesia, the Republic of Indonesia, English is still a foreign language, but English is the second language in the federated country of Malaysia, where in government and education they communicate in English.
Do all countries have to speak English?
It depends on the policies of each country, but my opinion, English has become quite an important learning, especially in our country, Indonesia, considering that English is the national first language. So English must be at least facilitated by learning English in every country.
And the next for Shafiq, is there a difference between American English and British English?
Yes, there are some differences between American English and British English, including in spelling, pronunciation, and vocabulary. For example, words like color American and color British, or apartment American and flat British. In addition, there are differences in the use of certain phrases and idioms.
Can we learn English in a short time?
Yes, you can. The time it takes to learn English can vary significantly depending on a number of factors, including the level of fluency you want to achieve, the time available to study each day, the learning methods used, and how often you practice. Well, it is impossible to become an expert in a short period of time. With consistency, dedication, and the use of effective learning methods, you can make rapid progress in English.
And next for Najib, does English have slang? Is it important to learn it?
Of course, Indonesian has slang as does English. Slang is usually used in everyday conversation. If learning slang English is important or not, it is categorized as important to learn. Why? I have several reasons why slang in English must be learned. The first is to facilitate communication. Slang in English is understood by many people. Almost every level of society uses it in daily conversation. Therefore, you need to learn this language so that you are not stiff when communicating with natives.
Why English in an international language?
There are several reasons why English has become an international language. This is because English is one of the oldest languages in the world and originated from the British blacks, namely around the 8th century. Apart from English being the oldest language in the world, English has a very rapid vocabulary development. According to a joint research team, Harvard University and Google Research recorded that the addition of the vocabulary of the world's oldest language.
And the last for Rifat. How is the history of the English language?
English developed first in the Anglo-Saxon kingdoms of England and in the area that currently from southwest Scotland. After the expansion of Great Britain influence in the 17th and 20th centuries throughout the British Empire, English became widespread throughout the world. Historically, English originated as fusion of various related dialects, now collectively known as Old English, which were brought to the east coast of the island of Great Britain of Germany, Anglo-Saxon terrorists in the 5th century.
Can English speed up getting a job?
Yes, it can because the development of the times, especially in this era of globalization. There are many companies that require human resources who are able to speak English, not only to increase the company's accreditation, but also to increase the professionalism and brand image of a company. Starting from the startup companies to account companies have begun to apply mandatory English to communicate. Do job presentation to offer business ideas to superiors. English is one of the most frequently used language in all countries in the world.
Okay, maybe enough for our discussion. Thank you to my member for the explanation about English language. I'm sorry if there are mistake or wrong. And thank you for listening this. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.